Hey, welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I just bought a new vehicle. I'm going to be using this one as my daily driver. I need to put the Supra away for the winter because it's been taking way too much of a beating this year. Just by normal driving around, and someone threw an egg at the car, and my windshield is now cracked for the second time. So we're going to get all those things fixed, hopefully right before it snows. And then I can put her away and just drive this new vehicle for now. Alright, and just to show you guys what I've been talking about with the Supra, we have this eggshell right here that ripped through my paint. So that's gonna have to get fixed. The window is cracked up here. The window was supposed to already be fixed, but Safelite canceled on me, so now I'm waiting for them to call me back. Other than that damage, just some normal wear and tear. I have some curb rash on the passenger side from when I got pushed over because a truck got too close to me. Here's the damage from when I got pushed over. Not too bad. Other than that, I just really need to get her cleaned up. She's a little dirty right now. And then I can put her away for the winter, maybe take her out here and there if there's some nice days before it snows. And that's really it. Let's get into looking at the new vehicle. So this is what I picked up. This is my new daily driver. It's a 1999 Ford Ranger XLT, fully stock, and needs a little bit of love, but that's what we're here to do. We're gonna start off with a nice, super simple upgrade. These lights up in the dome light, they're pretty old, they're amber, they don't look good, they don't put out enough light. So I went out and picked up these LED lights from Pep Boys. So let's throw these in here and look at the difference. I also bought this nice doubled-in head unit so we can have some good music. Comes with Apple CarPlay, has a backup camera, which I'm not going to be putting in today, but I am going to be putting in the radio. I picked it up off Amazon for like 130 bucks, nice and cheap. Hopefully it's good quality, but we'll see once we install it. Alright, now for the part where you get to watch me struggle while I figure out which wires go to which. So I'm gonna read the directions because I don't know what I'm doing. But we'll figure it out. Assuming I just go color to color. Alright, so I got everything that needs to be wired up. Everything's all hooked up to the harness. I'm gonna plug everything in now and just make sure everything works before I put everything back together. We got power. All the speakers work, it sounds like. Alright, so it's looking like everything's working right now. I still have to plug in the microphone for the Bluetooth and run that somewhere. I don't know where I'm putting that yet either, but I have to do that, and then eventually I'll do the camera. I'm not gonna do that today. Now that I realize how easy it is to take this out, I can do it whenever I'm ready. It's getting a little dark, but I just wanna finish this up, get it back together, and have a radio that I can use that looks better than the radio that was in here. On a good note, it works. On a bad note, it doesn't fit in the plastic. So we're gonna head over to Mike's house. He's gonna save me again because, again, I have no tools. Gotta start buying those. But we're gonna head over there. He's gonna help us cut out the plastic so that we can get it to fit. And then I'm gonna mount it up and finish it and be all done. And then we'll play with it again another time. All right, so my goal is to avoid cutting or drilling as many pieces as possible. This, as my first project, is already one of the things I was trying to avoid to do, but being that this piece is most likely pretty cheap to replace, I'm okay with it. But we're gonna avoid drilling into any other things from here on out, unless we like really need to, or it's cheap to replace. Again, this is a daily, so I want it to look good, and I want to have fun, and I want to make it nice, but we're also on a budget. What's up, bud? What's up? All right, so here's the end result. It looks great now that I got everything to fit. Let's turn it on. And pops up our little car. Everything works, the screen works. If I plug in my phone, which I already have plugged in, just gotta do the USB. Comes up with the Apple CarPlay. So we got our maps, our Apple CarPlay, that all works. And I'm not gonna play any music right now for copyright reasons, but we're gonna end the video right here. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think about my videos. If you wanna see more stuff on the Ranger, I do have to still do the headlights, I have to do the tail lights, and we might lift it. So stay tuned for some more videos on this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.